So there's a lovely bike. It's a 2001 YZ125. It's in rough condition. I really can't run it that long because on the other side there, out of the petcock, gas is just pouring out of it. So there it is. We're gonna dive into it today. There's a lot of problems that I can see. Hopefully there's not more that are hiding underneath this thing. So let's get to it. So just a quick history on this bike. I actually bought it February of this year. I even bought a shit ton of parts for it and was ready to build it and everything, and then you know how it goes. I just kept buying different bikes, flipping those, and this one just kind of went on the back burner. Hopefully when I finish this up I can still sell it. You know, it might be start of winter, but at least it'll be done, so that's always good. This is our alligator seat cover. Now it looks like just some type of generic one. I guess the good thing about it is that there's no rips in it. I'm not the biggest fan of the look, but in order to save some money, just gonna keep it as is. Got the little FMF shorty on there. It's nice and dirty in there. Bikes like this, shit, you only have to take out half the bolts because some of them are snapped off in there, some of them are missing. Basically on this bike, whatever bolt you can find. I don't know how many times I've changed my socket size. Some of these, it's like they kind of fit. They probably messed up the threads. Might as well take the Kickstarter off here too. One thing that makes this sound a little worse than it actually is while it's running is the Kickstarter here. And most of the time it rattles right up against that. So we'll tear this little Kickstarter apart. Grease it all up, should be good to go. Here's your DIY spring puller. This one's not too bad. That one's definitely fixable. It's only got the outside rows that are smashed. This one has taken a huge shot, so we're going to try and straighten that one out, see if it's reusable. This is as far as I'm gonna make it today. Basically just have the shock linkage and motor, and then obviously, you know, like foot pegs, a couple little things here and there, CDI box, stuff like that. There's our pile. Got a lot of solid parts. It hasn't been too bad. Hasn't been really any extra issues. Most of the stuff in the rear shock and linkage, that's most likely gonna be just complete trash. So like I said, I'm peacing out. I might pick up on this tonight or tomorrow. Not sure. I'll see you then. And I'm back, ready to tear this thing apart. I think we can finish it up before the night's done. Pull the motor out tonight. Be set for cleaning everything up tomorrow. Let's do it. That guy's absolutely coated in oil. And there's the little collar, comes right out. So you know that this seal is all jacked up. And then I don't know if you're catching a glimpse of this, this little shift lever. It's just rusted in there like a mother. Oh. A little KTM orange hiding in that yummy blue. There she be. She's out. Alrighty. There it is. Just the frame. We've got an absolute mess over here. So much work to be done. I'm not sure when I'm going to finish this up, but next video, like usual, probably going to be breaking down, replacing parts, going through everything. Basically every bearing in this is shot, aside from the steering bearing. All that needs to be a minimum cleaned. Everything else just needs to be gone through, polished up. And the pipe, I know it has that huge dent in it, but I can't put $250, $300 into a new fresh pipe, even though it would look amazing. Can't do it. If for some reason I come across a super cheap one, I might do it. Yeah, so there it is. Lots of work ahead. Stay tuned. See you next time. Peace.